Unity UTD4202C, 200 megahertz, 2 gigacycles per second oscilloscope. Comes up with these standard accessories: software CD, USB cable, 2 standard 1x 10x probes, and these are the multimeter accessories, logic probe, let's start this oscilloscope. Currently channel 1 is active. Let's calibrate the oscilloscope to the given calibration facility. This is standard 1 kilohertz 3 volt peak to peak square wave. This series of oscilloscopes, specifically this 4202C, has an added feature of logic probes. These logic probes can measure 2 simultaneous channels, 8-bit each. This is the logic analyzer function in this UTD4202C oscilloscope. It has all the standard features, the math functions, the function keys, the menus, storage, etc. etc. This is a 2-channel version, as Unity has not only 2-channel version. This is where the multimeter accessories will go. It has a USB port in front and a port in back.